Want to improve your SEO rankings and make your URLs more user-friendly? Let's set up URL rewrites in Magento 2 in just a minute. Go to Marketing, then under SEO and Search, click URL Rewrites. Click Add URL Rewrite and select Custom or Product based on what you want to change. You can modify product, category, or CMS page URLs without affecting their functionality. Enter the request path and the target path. Choose a permanent 301 redirect for SEO benefits or temporary 302 if it's a short-term change. Click Save and test the new URL to ensure it redirects correctly. Cleaner URLs make it easier for search engines and customers to find your products. Ready to take your Magento store to the next level? For expert Magento solutions, visit neosolax.com or email us at sales@neosolax.com. Like, subscribe, and follow for more e-commerce tips.